Okay. Um, I'm going to be making this item, and I have looked over the plans quite a bit. Who brought this up with my nephew? Yes, I'm basically going to make this up, and I have looked through all the plans, and I figured out what is needed to be done to make it. And I have all the plastic on hand. I bought plenty of great PLA plus already. It's already on hand, and I've already started the print. And I will show you guys the prints over time. I probably won't release this video for a few days, mainly. So stay tuned for more of it. Like, subscribe for more, and come back for more videos for this project to finish. It probably will take me a month to finish it because of material costs. I mean, what I don't have, and then also painting because it is. I will figure out more when I wing it.